Kelvin, I'm back right now, guys. I know I have been lost for many times, guys, but I'm back. I'm with good news, guys. Now, for today's, I will introduce my new setup of trading, my new strategy that I will be taking live next month, guys. It will be very amazing, guys. For the next month, I will be taking live on London session and New York session. It will be so amazing, guys. So I will introduce my new setup of my new strategy that I use price action, guys, on how to take a trader. And I know the strategy will be profitable. I have tested for about 1 year, guys. It is working, it is good, and we will be trading live next month of September, guys. London section and New York section for the 2 hours, guys. So I'll show you the first strategy of the price action, guys. Let me go to the chart. Big king, guys. So as you can look, the entry time, it is on 15 minutes, guys, and I will show you the strategy. The strategy is simple, is the price action, guys. So I have started this thing, guys. So okay, I will show you the strategy, guys. So the first setup is called setup 2 that I will be using. The setup 2 is all about the pullbacks. So once the pullback happens, it is the time of the entry, guys. So if you can see here, let me show you, guys. Let me show you, guys. So be careful, guys. So for example, this is a pullback. So the next thing that happened, it is coming up. So the entry of a buy, it can be here, guys. You can buy this point because there is a pullback. So this is called setup 2. Whenever there is a pullback on the next or 3 candles, you can take your buys, guys, or your sells. Let's do the back testing for the gold. Let's take example of this one. This is a good example, guys. Okay, it's a good example. Let me show you. Making, guys, you trade sharp, you trade wisely, guys. So here, this is a pullback, guys. This is a pullback. Then after the pullback, if you wait the 15 candle to be formed, one, it is full. So the rest were bullish. You would have taken your profit, your little bit of profit during London session, guys, because you time only where there is a high volume of trading. So guys, I will explain more about the strategy. There is top-down analysis. You cannot come on M15 and start trading. That is the overview of trading. That let me show another setup, guys. If you can see, this is another one, guys. You can see that is first one. Let us scroll. This is the second one, guys. This is a very good example. There was a pullback, and then there is a rejection zone. Then you take a trade, guys. If you come, these are all of a pullback, you take a trade. Pullback, you take. So 15 minutes I have discovered is the best time of the entry in the setup. This is called the setup 2, guys. There is setup up to setup 5, guys. So keep watching my videos. I will show you setup 1, setup 2, setup 3, setup 4, and 5, guys, on how to trade. For the next month, guys, we will be trading live. That is so amazing. So you making, we will be trading live or gold at G. That is a G. That is will using 2 pairs. That is a gold and the great British pound and yens, guys. That is the best currency to trade during London session and the New York session, guys. So for the next month, show up, guys. I will start streaming live, taking trade live. You take a profit, guys. We'll grow $100 account to $1,000 account within 2 months, guys. Baking, I have traded it, I have done it. I have that time now to come on stream and show you how to make profit, guys. So keep watching my videos, keep reading the price action. I'm a price action trader, guys. Keep reading that, guys. So trade sharp, trade wisely, guys. Peace, guys. Peace, as I am. Peace, guys. All right, guys.